This is my first try on haul. I'm not a fashion girly, but I'm getting my personal style together. So I put some money to the side to make sure that I could really shop at the Zara semi-annual sale. I bought a couple pieces. I really don't even know what's inside of the pack because I forgot what I ordered by the time I got it. But I ended up buying a lot of shirts. I needed some blouses and 2 pairs of jeans. So this is the first pair. These are size 12. They end up fitting good, but I got to take them to the tailor. They too long, and the back got a big gap. But those are a keeper. Then I got some skinny jeans. I just needed a pair. These fit perfect, size 12. So those are a keeper also. Now, onto the shirts. I got this one. Now, usually I would never buy nothing like this, but I need some blouses. I got a couple pants that I want to wear, but I don't really have no shirts to put them with. So, you know, this ends up being a little, you know, vibe. I already got something that I know what I'm going to wear with it. So, yeah, this is a keeper too. Next up, I always buy these type of shirts. It's the fake little linen, you know, see-through shirts. I buy one of these like every year. You wash it maybe once or twice and it be in the trash. I usually buy the button up, but this one is a little tie. It's cute. It's a little vibe. So it's definitely another keeper. Next up, we have this little off-the-shoulders white button-up shirt. Again, something I would never buy, but I'm trying to step out my comfort zone. I need some shirts. So, okay, not too bad. I didn't know how to really style it, so I tried it a few ways. But I'm not mad at it. I got to figure this out. I'm going to have to call my big sister for some styling advice with that one. Next up, I got this shirt. I always get stuff like this. It's like a, you know, oversized button-up shirt. You could wear it as a cover-up. You can wear it, you know, tied up, down to work. You can figure it out so many different ways. This was amazing for my first haul video. 6 out of 6 pieces. I love it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more content like this, please follow me, like, and comment below. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.